I have here a 26-in-1 screwdriver set. Let's go ahead and open up the packaging here, take it out. So inside the box, we have the screwdriver right here, and it also comes with a magnetizer and demagnetizer. So this screwdriver is super handy. You can see it's nice and small and compact, but it packs a lot of features in this small package here. So right off the bat, we've got a magnetic attachment right here, and it is telescopic. So you can see I easily pulled this piece out. You can use it just like this, or you can use it like this, or you can use it all the way extended like that. So if you need to get a little bit extra reach, you've got that as well. And it's got many different spots along the way. You can see all the grooves. You can put that wherever you want to for the length. And then if you open up the back, unscrew that cap, you can see here is the storage for all of the different bits. You can see them all. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side, 6 on this side. But the great thing about them is they are double-sided. So we've got 24 different attachments that we can use with this one screwdriver. So something else that's really nice with all of these screwdriver heads is they are all labeled. So you can see there are words printed on each one of these. They're etched in, so they're not going to wear off, telling you exactly what type of batch head this is to make it a lot easier to find. So we got some Torx heads, we got some hex heads, where there's some Y heads, some flat and Phillips. So there's plenty of different options, and they're easy to find and to use. So here's just a closer look at all of the labels on all of these batch heads, so you can more easily see them and what they show. So right here I've got a latch that has two different styles of screws. It's got a Torx and a Phillips. So I've got a Torx screw in here, Torx bit, and I can easily run in or out one of the Torx screws. Just like that. And then when I need to, I can easily pop that out. I've already got the Phillips one ready to go. And I can use the Phillips bit to either remove or to put back in one of the Phillips screws. So super handy that you've got multiple bits all stored within the screwdriver, so they're easy access, and you can adjust really quickly to whatever the needs of whatever screw you are working on. So another great place to use this 26-in-1 screwdriver is going to be on like a bicycle or a scooter. I've got a brake right here that needs some adjusting, so I went ahead and put in one of the hex bits. Can loosen that up, adjust my cable a little bit, and then tighten it right back down. And if I needed to, I can do some of the other adjustments using the exact same screwdriver, because it does have so many different bits. It's going to work for all of these different screws. So I don't need a bunch of different tools. I just need the one tool. So this is also going to be great for working on computers. I've got a power supply here that I'm putting back together, and you can see I've got the last screw here, and with the magnet built into this with small screws, it is going to help hold it in place. If you do need a little bit extra, it does have the magnetizer demagnetizer that you can use to either make this more or less magnetic, to make it work better or worse depending on the scenario that you're going to be doing. This 26-in-1 screwdriver is going to be perfect for anybody that wants to have a small, compact screwdriver that they can take with them. It's small enough you can easily just put it into your pocket, take it on the go. You can keep it in a drawer with pencils or pens because it is so small, but it's super versatile. It's got a nice telescopic attachment right here, 24 different bits here inside that are going to go with you regardless of where you're going. They're all labeled, easy to use, they're magnetic, they're going to stay in place, and it's got the nice magnetizer demagnetizer, so it's got everything you need to do any kind of maintenance on computers, bicycles, hardware, cabinets, anything like that, it's going to work great and be really easy to use.